Baraka. This is Insight to Light Energetic Weather Report for the week of August 30th through September the 5th. I am to Chica to escort you through this weather report. Starting on the 30th, the sun is in a harmonious relationship with Uranus. Moon is in a stressful relationship with Uranus, but yet harmonious with Chiron. Mercury is exactly 19 degrees opposition Neptune, and the famous Mars squaring Saturn and Pluto. And Venus is in an exact opposition to Pluto at 23 degrees. Inspiration to apply transformative love. What time is the energy bringing to us a transformative experience of the application of inspiration, awakening love? This is a place of mind swoon, enraptured or dazzled or even blackout. When something goes into a swoon, it is just taking out of the ordinary state of consciousness. And you can be in a beautiful state of enraptured appreciation, levitation, or you can even go to the other extreme and get blacked out, knocked off your feet from overindulging or being overwhelmed by the reality. The 31st, the energy continues. Love is challenge. Attack on your love. That's what it is. What do you think Earth School 101 is all about? Have no doubt. We have opposition to realize the value of the higher principles of spiritual reality. That's why we're here, to awaken and remember ourselves with our source. The 1st of September, it may feel like the full moon. It's going to be strong. And you will see that moon, you will see it, and you will feel it as Venus is opposite Saturn at exactly 25 degrees, square Mars. Tough love speaks, uniting allies or exposing lies. You're in this field of this energy. You are in the feast of it. And you can feel it so strong that it would knock you off your feet if you are not in harmony with universal synchronicity. It's tough love. It's time to stand up now. You see what's happening all around. People are just devastated and in pain. And as I always say, either you're part of the pollution or the solution. So let your actions be courageous and sorry. Some of the famous carpets have to be pulled from the famous feet by exposing the lies, speaking the truth, speaking to power. The 2nd of September, the full moon is exactly 1:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at 10 degrees. And this is a powerful, powerful time here as the moon goes into conjunction with Neptune and sextiles Jupiter. And the sun is in an exact trine at 10 degrees to Uranus. Overcritical, superficial, egotistical, fanatical invites upheavals, disillusionment, humiliation, and boomerang on a crashing train. Yes, from sane to insane. What am I saying here? This full moon will be an intensified time, but make sure you don't allow yourself to get caught up in this overcritical, putting one down, projecting your pain onto others. The egotistical, fanatical energy will be strong. And if you are in this mode of being, yes, there's a boomerang crashing train that's inviting you to join. The 3rd of September, as the moon is opposite Mercury and as Venus is squaring Mars exactly at 27 degrees. Oh my goodness, I'm forewarning here. Negative men with negative energy will be attacking women. So why am I saying this? So you won't be in trouble to get your bubble busted. I'm saying to you that the male testosterone, the energy, and this has been something going on for so long, where the one who thinks they're the strongest spews on the weakest. So be aware, simultaneously, this is a time of spiritual higher consciousness beings. Unite tight with might. The unity is strong. From the March on Washington, to the demonstrations, to the revelations of those that have more time to sit still and to know that they know that they know, and then to allow their love to flow. This is a time of unity. It's a higher level consciousness. If you're not there, then sit still and request that you'll feel your heart in your chest, and you'll connect with some compassion for more than just the flesh and blood self. This energy is preparing us for what's coming up. Unity is a must. The negative energy is getting stronger, but Elton John said, wrong is strong, but not for long. The 4th of September, honesty expressed heals deep wounds. See, sometimes you got to get off your stool of do nothing and be honest to help remove the blockages, the denial, the illusion, deceptions, imperceptions, and conclusions that brings this confusion. Now, you have the ability to heal. This is a powerful healing day as the moon and Chiron, the wounded healer, are conjunct. Honesty expressed heals deep wounds. You know, if you would consider the person that you're speaking to or people and put yourself in their place and say, what I'm about to express, I would mind be the recipient, then you're clear, my dear. Then have no fear and let love fill the sphere. The 5th of September, moon conjuncts Mars in Aries, squaring Saturn, squaring the moon, fire from the whole for the good of the soul. See, this is a time that triggers will be released. Expressions will be released. This is an implementation. This is a trajectory. What lessons you need to learn pops up. Yes, your lessons will pop up. You don't have to do nothing. Wherever you are, they will find you. Explosions and soul quakes. Yes, I'm not talking about earthquakes. I'm talking about the soul awakening. You got to read the signs and empty your mind and tune into the collective higher states of perception, because you will be aware then that what these times are all about. Fears and doubts have no place. Let your spirit rise strong in you. You are made for this time. You can get through if you hold to the faith of God as you, God in you. Stay tapped in, tuned in, turned on. And the soul quakes will be a dance of reawakening rather than a famous carpet pulled from the feet from denial and unclear moves of the selfish, egotistical desire alone. These states of lower existence are the ones that are getting disillusioned and shaken awake because there's a purpose that you came here for. There's a reason why you're on this earth. Meaning comes first, then the rhyming. Nothing supersedes meaning, not even the timing. So get in tune with this full moon and ride the waves of your contract, your energy, your greatest possibility of why you're here. This is energetic reality flowing through us between the seconds. Pay attention, and you will have the insight to navigate through these times. I'm Tuere Chica. This is your Insight Light Energetic Weather Report. Stay in your light. Stay awake. Barack